So this is short review of Knipex Multitool pliers. I bought it from Amazon. And the first thing that I don't like, it has this weird locking system. So as it is right now, it's unlocked, you know, and you have other option fully unlocked like that. Pliers are spring-loaded, so I prefer to have a third position fully locked. Maybe here something should be implemented, because in a toolbox it's not great to have this open pliers like that. So, but in this position, you know, cutters are no longer available, and you still can use these tools. So wire strippers, crimper, pliers, and needle nose pliers. So yeah, these pliers are rated for 1000 volts, so it's suitable for electricians. And yeah, let's start from the beginning, from these cutters. So these cutters are very great, awesome, you know. Obviously it cuts wires, whatever you will give it, you know, huge, robust, heavy duty cutters. So, but it has also disadvantage. Imagine you have a wall, corner of the wall, you want to cut something in a corner of the wall, okay? So you will not be able to do that, you know. You still have to use standalone cutters in that case, because you don't have reach, you know. All these other tools will get you in your way, and you will not be able to use these cutters in some situations. But for what it is, yeah, they cut awesome, no issue. And yeah, so here we have wire strippers from 2 positions, from 0.7 to 1.5 and 2.5 square millimeters. And as you can imagine, it works, you know, it works, but you have to, you know, take cable like that. But yeah, it doesn't strip. I don't see any stranded copper on this rubber part, so very clean stripping. But obviously standalone strippers always will win, you know. So it works, but yeah. So again, on the pliers we have a crimp option here, this notch, and yeah, it crimps, you know, and I think it's okay for what it is. It's, yeah, it's okay. But again, obviously standalone crimping tool will do way better job than this. So I will lock this tool. So we have this section, round pliers, yeah, they are great, and needle nose pliers. So needle nose pliers, I prefer personally bend needle nose pliers, so you can do way more with that. But if you prefer your needle nose pliers to be straight, so this tool, this only tool that will totally replace the need to have straight standalone needle nose pliers. So as you can see, it's a multi-tool, and as all multi-tools, standalone options always will be better, but to replace this tool with standalone tool, so you know, you have to use a lot of tools. So if you are working in some remote location and so on, it's better, way better to just take this and you're good to go. So yeah, totally recommend it.